This is Santorini, considered as one of the top travel destinations in the world by travel magazines, news networks, and travel sites. The island attracts around 2 million tourists every year. Now, with so many tourists coming into the island, it begs the question, is Santorini still a paradise, or is it becoming overrated? Hello everyone, welcome to Santorini, Greece, the beautiful island of Santorini, which was formed by a volcano in the middle of the ocean a couple million years ago. But back then it was known as Fira, or maybe it was known as Atlantis. Who knows? Well, let's go ahead and check it out. When arriving to Santorini on the cruise ship, you do have to take these tender boats that will take you to the Santorini Old Harbor, and I do recommend getting your tender tickets before getting to Santorini. Alright, so here we are in Santorini. Alright, time to take the cable cars to Fira. And let's go ahead and check out this cable car. Let's go! Alright, taking the cable cars. It's only €6 per person to go one way. The cable cars are a great way to transport you from the old harbor of Santorini to Fira, and you do have breathtaking views of the old harbor. Now keep in mind, if you're coming off a cruise ship, there is going to be a pretty big line for the cable cars, but it does beat riding the donkeys and also taking the 30-minute hike up there to Fira. And at the same time, it does take a little bit less than 5 minutes to get you to the top. Welcome to Fira. Fira is the capital of Santorini, and the name derives from the ancient name of Fira. The town is filled with whitewashed homes. You have 2 main archaeological museums. You also have restaurants, gift shops, fancy boutique shops, and then you also have the main bus center of the entire island. So you have a lot of shops here at Fira, and you have the bus stations over there that can take you to Ia. So this is the main town center of Fira. And a lot of restaurants. It's a closed street. So the bus station is only 2 blocks south of the Fira main square. Alright, so these are the local buses that can actually take you to Ia. And then here you can buy your tickets that will take you around the island. Taking the bus is the most economical option of getting around the island at only €1.80 per way. It definitely beats taking the taxi for €35 from Fira to Ia. Keep in mind, they only take cash, so have euros when coming here. The buses do run every 30 minutes, and there are these nice big comfy buses with AC. Alright, we have arrived in Ia. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, so we have some free time. Let's go ahead and explore. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna take a nice walk. Look at this beautiful church.
Such a gorgeous view. The sunset here must be amazing. The views here are so amazing.
The reason why it's painted white and blue is because white deflects heat and then blue represents nationalism of the Greek flag.
Imagine renting a hotel here. What do you think?
Now, Santorini hotels can range around $250 a night in the hot spots, but if you're willing to go more inland, you can find some options for under $150 a night.
All right, here at Ia, and there is our right there.
It's crazy to believe that around 1600 BC, one of the largest volcanic eruptions happened here on the island, wiping out the Minoan civilization and creating the island just like how it is.
You have many of these blue dome churches. Alright, we're walking around Ia. Such a gorgeous view.
So Ia is famous for having all these boutique shops, blue dome churches, restaurants, and you also have the gorgeous world famous sunset views.
And this is probably like the main church in Ia. Has a nice beige color with the blue dome. And a wedding is happening. Alright, here at Alexio's in Ia, we have some great dinner. Now you're gonna notice that the sunset is coming with some Greek tapas. Alright, so we got a seafood platter for two. Look at this. It doesn't get any better than this. Alright, dinner was great. Normally these restaurants with a view, they tend to be more the... But you're gonna have this great view. Goodbye, Ia. Time to go to Fira. Alright, back to Fira. Heading back on the cable cars. Look at how it looks at nighttime in Fira. Here's the Viva. Oh, they got some very nice shops here.
Again, if you're arriving on a cruise ship, make sure to arrive to the cable cars at least an hour before the last tender boat because there will be a huge line. So it begs the question, is Santorini paradise or is it becoming overrated? Well, I think it all depends on your perspective when it comes to traveling. Yes, expect to see long lines and lots of people, but keep in mind, you're visiting one of the most popular destinations in the world. You are bound to see large crowds. My suggestion is to avoid traveling here during summertime if you can, so no June through early August. I visited during September. Now when it comes to the price, Santorini can be expensive, but I found budget-friendly options such as Euros for around €5 and bus rides for only 1.80 euros. So yes, you can enjoy Santorini on a budget. Well, my answer is that Santorini is a paradise and a must visit for everyone.
Alright, you already know what to do. Give it a like and subscribe for more videos from Santorini.